Hello everyone. Let's go over what is expected when updating your deck list for the I Hate Your Deck Preconstructed League. Okay, so first off, here I have the Moxfield deck list for my deck. I notice here that I have the Card Kingdom selected for all of my prices. Instead of basing it off of their store, we are focusing on the TCG player card prices. To make life easier, I want to fix that so that TCG player is the default shop. To do this, I need to go over to my profile and then account settings. And then on this page, we're going to look at pricing and affiliates. Then we can see the hierarchy of shops that we use by default. All we need to do is click this up arrow next to the TCG player icon and put it in the top spot. There we go. Back to the deck list. Now we see that TCG player is the top spot for the default prices. When we search, it will be the one that's shown to us. Much easier. Moving on to searching for cards to add. I have a few that I'd like to add and swap out. Let's take a look at one now. Court of Ambition. Oh, here we go. Oof. Looks like this might be a little pricey for what I went in for my first update. Maybe I'll note this one down for later. Alright, need an alternate then. Let's see. Rakdos, Lord of Riots. Here we go. Much better. I'll go ahead and add him and take note of the cost. Note, I can go in here and see toggle all printings, just in case there is one that is cheaper. There isn't. So we're going to take this one at 36 cents. Now back to the deck. I need to now move someone from my deck into the considering pool, as I have now added Rakdos Lord of Riots, but that's going to give me 100 cards in my 99, so I need to get rid of one. Well, if we look through here, we see Karn the Betrayer. Well, sorry, but you're getting moved to the considering list. This is because it's still in my card pool, but it's not going to be in my deck, so I do want to keep track of that. With my changes sorted in Moxfield, I'm going to move over to the form to record my changes for the admins. I load up the form here, and I see that I still need to fill out the basics like my Discord name, the link to my deck, and then note each card slot change, and their new cost. So as you can see from here, I've already actually finished writing out all of my other changes. Now at the bottom of this, you'll see the total cost of changes. Well, I spent $2.06 on all of my card changes. Then the expected remainder of the budget that I expected my bank. Well, starting with $5 minus $2.06, I've almost got $3 left. So let's go ahead and submit. My response has been recorded. I'm all set. And that's it. Thanks everyone. Hope you're having fun jamming out some games.